It's an orange. It's an orange. We just came from Monaco.
Monte Carlo.
It's the capital city of Monaco.
Yes.
So what do you say about Monaco? How is this town? How is the country? Monaco is the country.
It's nice and a small country.
Yeah.
Very nice. The buildings are just amazing. I mean, the tall buildings, clock towers, trees, gardens, and flowers. Amazing. Charity, you can tell us more about the Monaco.
Okay, Monaco is amazing, very hot, and lots of rich people, lots of luxury. This is
Luxury car.
luxury cars, luxury buildings, hotels. This is where the Formula 1 or
Formula One.
Formula 1 takes place. We put sports car, Lamborghini.
Ferrari.
Oh my
And the
goodness.
taxis there, just Mercedes.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, it was fun.
It's just different with what you see in Germany, you know.
A very different place. It's not like a normal town
Not at all.
where you see things that you don't see on a daily basis.
I think the kind of things we saw today, you can just compare them with the movie.
Movies, yeah.
Yeah.
This is like a
Today we
movie.
saw the movie.
And the people,
Did you see the dress out
Yeah.
there? People were dressed in high heels, like elegant, wonderful.
clothing.
This is around, you see the Prada, the Louis Vuitton, the Valentinos. Even you pass through the next to the hotels, you smell perfume. That is just amazing.
It was great.
Yeah, maybe mad fun, but we are tired.
Yeah, we are tired, but our holiday is
I mean, tomorrow maybe we'll go to Grasse, it's the city of perfume.
This girl,
We are just plan. If we get more energy, tomorrow we'll go to the city of as in we just
based
no, we're not just we need to reflect.
Yeah, Monaco is very expensive.
Very
Restaurant,
expensive. One ice,
no, this small ice went for €5. I saw
one scoop. One scoop of ice. The scoop of ice that we buy in German for €1.
or 80 cents.
Or 80 cents. Is it
Why?
crazy?
You can forget about going to the restaurant
Yeah.
place because if you are a normal, normal citizen, I don't know how you can afford this lifestyle.
Not at all. We just go there for holiday and come back.
Yeah, but very nice. It's quiet. Very clean.
I love this roundabout for Formula.
Yeah.
A roundabout with 2 lanes. I thought maybe the cars are going to knock each other. Oh, it was great.
It was really great. I'm sure these people cannot hit their cars. They are very expensive cars. You have to be careful while driving.
Even these motorbikes guys were there.
Really, really.
Yeah, Hammers and
Oh my goodness. All kind of cars you can dream of. Motorbikes and all brands. So it all. And yeah, and the best thing is connecting to Monaco from France or from Nice, I don't know, or from Antibes. Very
direct.
1 hour with the train. And tap, you're already in another country. That's magic.
Oh, it's really magic.
It's like magic. And the trains come
Yeah,
frequent.
we're under the tunnel. Italy.
but still you have to speak French.
French,
They speak
just
French.
parler français, parler français. Bonjour, bonjour. Oh, we spoke all our bonjours.
Or
And they believe all blacks speak French and that's not true. Because we don't speak French. We
So-
speak German.
so I love the journey today. I'm looking forward for class of purpose.
This voice man.
I hope you're going to make it tomorrow. If not tomorrow,
Then
then
it's
after.
tomorrow we can go on the beach, we shower a little bit with the salty water, we swim in the salty water, then Saturday we wake up very early in the morning.
Yes, and one thing I forgot to say, the whole the sea. We still have it here.
With the greens,
Water,
water,
water. Oh my
the
god.
ships, the ships inside there.
Big ships, big luxury ships, yachts.
We don't know. Very,
We
very.
have a very beautiful sea, very clean water, clear blue, and the sun, oranges, the palms, these palm trees. I think that's all.
That's all for today. We're gonna update you again tomorrow.
Yeah,
And thanks for watching.
we are heading now to Auntie
Until
and our train is very beautiful.